Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Venom Network. This is a free airdrop and this is a very big project. This project has a 1 billion in funding, so we can compare Venom like ZkSync, Layer 0, Arbitrum, that kind of project. So if you really want a big airdrop, this is your video. If this is your first time here, we always cover a little bit about the project and then we go step by step on everything that you need to do in order to get this airdrop. So this is a airdrop tutorial for Venom Network. And remember guys that you have my subscriptions. If you want to join my Discord, you can go to the subscription page at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. And I also have my application. This app is going to help you to register and apply to all the airdrops in my channel, and you also can create your custom airdrops. So it's a great tool if you are an airdrop hunter. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, like you know, I did in April this video, the top 7 airdrops to do. So if you didn't check it, go to my website and check it. You can search it here on the bar. In this video, I cover the biggest airdrops that you can apply right now. Some of them, like Vela, have been already ended, but you can still do Layer 0, ZkSync. So the video of today, enter in the top 7 airdrops to do. Venom is a very big project and has a very big funding, and they have some allocation for the airdrop and community rewards. So it's very important that you do this video and you keep track on this airdrop. So Venom is a scalable blockchain solution that is designed to meet the needs of real-world applications. Its unique architecture and technology enable Venom to provide a high level of performance and security, making it an ideal platform for decentralized applications. Venom is a multi-blockchain network, being a basis for scalable Web3 applications in the DeFi and global payments markets. And a couple of interesting points is that they launched the Testnet just recently, the 25th of April. So you are really early to apply to Venom Network right now. And if you are seeing this video in any other date, remember that you still can apply to this if the Venom is still in Testnet and the mainnet is not launched. So if you go to the Discord or to the Twitter of Venom and you see that still the mainnet is not launched, then that means that you still can apply to the Venom Network airdrop. So go and follow these steps on this video. The other thing they already mentioned, they have 1 billion in funding, guys. This is a lot of money in the project, creating and building the Venom ecosystem. And there are already a couple of apps, wallet, and more stuff that we are going to do. And the best important part of this is that they have a 22% of the Venom supply are intended for community. So I think we have not 100%, but it's very possible that they are going to do an airdrop for the community that helps, of course, with the testnet and probably mainnet. And they also are the one project licensed by the Abu Dhabi Global Market, ADGM. So not many projects has this license, so they are already applying and in the compliance of all the different crypto regulation status. So this project is going to be big, guys. I'm telling you that right now. So now let's go to the step by step. The step 1, like always, is you need to follow them on Twitter. You go to the Twitter of Venom Foundation, you can see that they already have 375,000 followers. So it's a big project. Even if they launched it recently, they already have a lot of followers and a very solid community. And then you have the Discord. So here you follow the Discord. You are going to need both things for this airdrop. So I really recommend you to do this first of all. Now, step 3 is that we need to download and install the Venom wallet. So you're not going to be able to use MetaMask right now. And the Venom wallet works as a Chrome extension, and also you can use it in your iOS and in your Android mobile. So go here to the venom.network/how, click the link there. You are going to see this. So how it works. First, you need to install the Venom wallet. I will install the Chrome extension here, but here you have the buttons for the apps. So click on the Chrome icon. You are going to see this, the Venom wallet. Click on install and you're going to install it. Like MetaMask and many other wallets, you need to copy the 12 words for security and for recovering your wallet in case you lose it. And you need to put a password. After you do that, you're going to be set with your wallet already as a Chrome extension here. Now step 4 is we need to connect your wallet to log in with a Twitter account. So you are going to use a Twitter account. That means if you want to use multiple wallets for this airdrop, you are going to need multiple Twitter accounts. And you need to follow Venom Foundation, which is step 1. And then you can be able to claim Venom tokens that you are going to use for the next steps. So let's go to this link, venom.network/tasks, and here you need to do that, connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you are going to be asked to log in here with your Twitter account. I already did that, I'm not going to do it again. And then you are going to be able to see a button that says claim the 50 Venom tokens. And after you click that, you are going to receive the tokens. You can see I have 47. I started to do already some tasks, so you can see that this is already done. Now the step 5, if you want, you can go to the Venom faucet to claim more tokens. You need to perform a daily quiz task to earn 5 or more Venom tokens. And you can perform simple social tasks to get even more test Venom tokens. So for that, you have the web page /faucet, and here you can see complete the daily quiz. So you click start and you're going to be able to do it. That will give you 5 test Venom, and here you have some tasks to follow some other Twitter accounts and do some social media tasks. So if you want to do the daily task, you just click on start. You need to answer this and you need to respond this question. So in this case, all of the above. You can see congratulations, and now I can click here and claim the tokens. I will be asked to put the wallet address here, the wallet password here, and we are claiming right now the 5 test Venom tokens from this daily quiz. Now after you do that, guys, we go to step 6, which is we need to complete the different tasks to get the NFTs. This is the part where the foundation of Venom already have in this website for the testnet a couple of tasks that as soon as you finish one of those, you are going to receive an NFT for that completion. So this is very easy to follow and give you a very nice context on how to try different applications and how to try the testnet. At the moment of recording, we have 7 or 8 already tasks that we can do. So in this video, you already can do those 8, but I think it's going to be a total of 18. So after you see and do these 7 or 8 tasks, you need to keep an eye on this page to move forward on the next task as soon as they come up. And here in the step 7, I have the official document from the Mint and how to complete all these tasks. So we are going to follow that a little bit, and I'm going to do some of the tasks, but there are 7 or 8. We are not going to cover all of them right now. But here in the medium documentation is everything explained in detail. So we are going to check that right now. To do this task, we simply go to venom.network/task, and here down here where it says explore the Venom ecosystem, you are going to see these rectangles. Each of them has a button that says complete task, and here you have how many you completed of the total amount of tasks. So each time that you finish one of these, you are going to get an NFT. So you can see there are 5 here. Actually there were 8. I already started to do the first 3 that I wanted to show you in the video. So I'm going to show you those in the documentation, and then I'm going to show you some of them here on the app. So the first are very easy to do. So I am going to check that here in the official documentation. Like you can see, the first step is to get your 50 Venom, and after that we are going to interact with some of these missions. So the first mission is the Venom Foundation. You are going to see that when you click on that, you are going to see that the first is this, the Venom Foundation. And in this page, you are going to find exactly what you need to do, which for this one is that you need to follow Venom Network and you need to tweet something about Venom Testnet. You are going to be able to click here on Mint NFT, and you are going to mint and receive this NFT. So the first one is Venom Foundation. It's just follow the Venom Network and tweet about Venom Testnet. You can see here in documentation, you click on follow, this is going to pop up the Twitter, and when you follow here, then the next thing is that you click on tweet. This is going to pop up automatically a tweet, so you click there and just click on tweet. And after you do that, you can see here you have the mint button, so click on mint, and that will automatically send you're going to need to confirm the transaction, and that will mint the NFT. So congratulations, after doing that you have the first Venom NFT for the testnet. The second one is that you need to send some Venom from your wallet to another wallet. So when you go to this task, you're going to see an address. So you click the address that you see on the task, you copy that, you go to the wallet and you click on send. You are going to put the address that is in the task, and the amount can be any amount. So I recommend you to put just 0.5. That is what I am doing, and confirm and send that transaction. When the transaction is successful, you are going to see this. That means that you already sent this. You click on a button that says check, and one is here green and says done. You can click this button on mint NFT, and you are going to get the second Venom wallet NFT. So now we are going to go to the third mission, which is the Web3. This is one of the applications that you are going to interact, and you need to do a swap to interact. So basically, like you can see here, you need to follow Web3 word, and then once you do that, you need to do a swap. So I will show you that here because that task I didn't finish it yet. Now for the third NFT that we are going to collect, this is the Web3.word, and this one is a first DX on Venom. We are going to interact with this. The first task you can see is follow Web3 word. So when you click here and the Twitter pop-ups, you follow. That is the first task. The second that I already did is swap tokens. So to swap tokens, you just click here, and you're going to be sent to the testnet of Web3 word. And here it's very easy. You just need to connect your wallet, and you need to do any swap that you want. So in this case, for example, I can swap one Venom from USDT. So I click swap, confirm. I will need to put my password here and confirm the transaction. So the transaction was sent. You can see swapping one Venom to 0.27 USDT. Now it's pending. When this is finished, you are going to be able to go here, and in this button you are going to click check, and after the transaction was finished, you check it and you can see swap tokens is already done. And after that you can mint your third NFT. So you click there, password of the wallet, confirm the transaction, and we are in processing here from the mint. You can see that says minting. This is the Web3 word, and this could take 2 or 3 minutes in order to happen. But please don't close the window, just wait there. Now we are going to do the Venom bridge. So we click on complete task. We are going to follow Venom bridge. Click on follow. We come back here and we click on check. So right now I am having an issue with the confirmation of following Venom bridge. It's taking more time, so you need to wait some minutes. But basically what we are going to do here is we are going to transfer tokens from Venom to an AVM chain, and then from the AVM to Venom. We can do that, and we are going to check it in the documentation. So we are here on the second task from the Venom bridge. Like I say, we need to check here. So we need to transfer tokens from Venom to an AVM. So you can click this arrow. That will send you to the Venom bridge. So it's going to be open automatically, but in this case we are going to go directly. And here you need to connect 2 wallets, your Venom wallet and an AVM compatible wallet, which in this case I'm going to use MetaMask. And you can see here you can select Binance Smart Chain or Phantom Opera in this case. So I will select here T-Venom. I will allow that, and I will click continue. I will click approve, and you can see the transactions pending. Preparing the transfer in Venom Testnet is step 1. Step 2 is transfer checked by replayers, and step 3 is release transfer in Binance Smart Chain. So this is a bridge. We are sending the funds from Venom to Binance Smart Chain. After we complete this, we are going to do the opposite, which is send from AVM to the Venom test. And after doing that, you are going to be able to mint the NFT from the Venom bridge. And that will be all for this fourth mission. There are another 3-4 missions more, but you can follow them here on the official documentation, guys. It's very easy and you can see it's step by step. This is what I have been doing, didn't have too much issues, except some timing on the transactions. So after you do that, going back to the step by step, that is step 6 and 7. So after you finish all that, we go to step 8. We go to step 8, which is leave the feedback on Discord. And sometimes I post that in the messages and people don't do that. But in this case, I really recommend you to do it because I saw this in the official documentation that says, once you have explored the Venom testnet ecosystem, make sure to leave us your feedback via our Discord. So in this case, they are emphasizing the make sure to leave the feedback. So here is the link to the Discord and that channel. And in any case, you can go here manually and here completed task. You go there, you select the Venom testnet ecosystem, this screenshot. These are the images of all the things that you completed. And after you put that, you put your address too. So doing that is the step 8. And then the step 9 is that there is another channel to leave some feedback. So I recommend you to do that too, which is here on feedback. Here you can see people commenting about the app and stuff. I would recommend you to put also your wallet number just in case. But here you can send another feedback. So guys, that will be all for this. That is step 9. So doing some recap. Step 1 for Venom Network is that you need to follow them on Twitter. The step 2, follow them on Discord. Step 3, you need to install your Venom wallet. The step 4 is that once you log in with Twitter and you follow the Venom Foundation, you are going to be able to claim 50 Venom tokens. You can also on step 5 go to the Venom faucet and get more tokens with a quiz. On the step 6 you can complete the different tasks for getting the NFTs. This will include interact with many other protocols and another dApps on the Venom ecosystem. If you have doubts, the step by step is in the step 7, which is the official document to do this step by step. And then you can leave the feedback on the Discord on the step 8 and leave a second feedback on the another Discord on the step 9. This is the same Discord, different channels. Those are the 9 steps for the Venom testnet. Right now there are 8 tasks to do, so keep an eye on the next tasks that are going to be launched soon. Guys, that is all for the Venom Network tutorial. Right now there's no Crew 3 to do, it's everything in their website for the testnet, and this is the official documentation. So I really think that if they take the job to do the step by step on how to test the testnet, I think that I'm going to reward the community. Guys, before we leave, remember that I have my subscriptions. In my Discord, we are killing it. We are getting meme tokens from Arbitrum ecosystem. We are doing many other airdrops that are not explaining in my videos. And we are sharing more information about crypto gems and crypto portfolios for the next bull run. Many things happening in my Discord, many people with a very high level of knowledge on airdrops. So we are doing it great there. I recommend you to join my Discord. And if you really want to make a difference on your airdrop hunter path, you need my application. With my app, I was able to manage 12 wallets on the Arbitrum airdrop. So I got distribution on my 12 wallets. So you can imagine the amount of money that I got there. And here you have 2 videos on how my app works. So guys, that will be all for the video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember to follow me on Twitter at CryptoCState. My Twitter is CryptoCState, where I post different things that are not in my videos and are not in my other social networks. Only in my Discord and my Twitter. So if you don't have my Discord, you need to follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.